The question reads, how many squares are there in the given figure? And then you are given a figure and the question is there with its four options A, B, C and D. These questions are very common in olympiads where you have to count the number of certain shapes, maybe triangles, squares, rectangles in a given figure. So first of all, to solve such question, you have to know what a square is, what a triangle is, and what are the various other shapes. This question asks you the number of squares in the given figure. So a square is a figure like this having made of four straight lines and all the lines are of same length. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, then this will also be 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeters. So you can say all sides are equal in a square. In such type of question, you have to look very closely into the figure and see and watch minutely and count the number of asked shape. So here you have been asked to count the number of squares. So how many squares are there? And for such question, you may please outline the asked shape with your pencil. Suppose here is one square. I am just outlining the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shape. All are equals. This is one square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is another square. Second square. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another square. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth square. This is the fourth square. Next we shall count the squares existing in the outer figure. This is 1 and this one. This is the fifth. Similarly, this is the sixth square. This is the seventh square. This whole figure I am talking about, this whole square I am talking about, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This portion is the 8th square. So you can see that there are small 4 squares and there are little bit bigger squares, another 4. So there are 8 squares you can count and you are tempted to answer B. But again a word of caution over here. Please remember that you should not forget to count this outer square. This is another square. Please remember. There are inner square, there is outer square. So this is one square. So 8 inner squares, and then there is another outer square you have counted, the outermost square, and then there is another square. See over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 inside this particular square. So this is another square. I am marking that, my pen is on that. So this is another square, this is another square, and I presume that there is no more square to count. Let me again discuss. This is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, then 5th square, 6th square, 7th square, 8th square, then this is the 9th square, and the outermost square is the 10th square, or 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10 squares. So there are 10 squares in the given figure. So this answer B is not the right answer, whereas this A 10 is the right answer. So you see that if you do not see minutely and practice such type of question, you may fall into the trap of thinking that you have marked the right answer. So solving more and more such questions will give you the confidence. So there are 10 squares in the given figure. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.